Hello guys, so we're gonna add an ice effect to this text. Go to Filter, Liquify, Rasterize, and add a wavy effect on all the letters. Okay, add it on all the letters. Okay, so make sure this is locked and make sure there's black and white here. Go to Filter, Render, Clouds. Then go to Edit, Stroke, and make sure there's a 7 black stroke. Okay, we have to add a blur now. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 3.7. Okay. Okay, now duplicate this layer. And for the copy layer, go to Filter, Sketch. You may not have Sketch, so go to Edit, Preferences, Plugins, and make sure Show All Filter Gallery is on. Okay. Go to Filter, Sketch, Chrome, and make sure the Detail 3 and Smoothness 8, okay. And for the first layer, go to Filter, Artistic, Plastic Wrap. Maximize everything here, okay. And make sure both of them are overlay. Okay, for the first layer, Frozen, duplicate it and put it on screen. And for the screen copy 2 layer, duplicate that one and make sure it's on hard light and the opacity is on 40 something. And we're done. So we had to add sparkles. This brush, I bought it from Google. It's actually free. Add a layer and put it on white and add sparkles wherever you want. And we're done.